Welcome, in front of me is Apple Watch Ultra 3, and in this video I will show you how to install additional or custom watch faces on your device. First of all, I just want to quickly mention that you can add a normal watch face to your device just by holding your finger on the display, then swiping to the left, tapping the plus icon, and selecting the watch face type you want to set up. Once you select it, you have to customize it and then click add face, and this way you can add the default watch faces. But if you want to install a custom one, you have to press the digital crown on your Apple Watch and then find the App Store application, and once you find it, you're gonna have to find the Facer application on the App Store. Open the search field and search for the Facer app. Click search, then wait until you get the results, and then just download this application by clicking get in this place. And then you can set your watch aside, and then you're gonna have to do the same thing on your iPhone. So sign into it and then open the App Store, then search for the Facer application, download, install it, and then open it. Now give me a moment. First time you open this application, you're gonna have to sign into your account. I recommend just selecting I already have an account, or sign into an existing account, and then select continue with Apple, and this way you can sign in with the Apple passcode. It's pretty quick and easy. Okay, and right now, once you are signed in, select the device. If you have an Ultra 3, it's not yet on the list. If it's not yet on the list when you're watching this video, if you have it on a list, then select it from here. But alternatively, you can use the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and then you're gonna get to this page once you select your Apple Watch. Most of the watch faces you have in this app are paid for, the ones that have the premium underneath, they are paid, but there are a bunch of free watch faces in this section. So just open it and you can scroll through the free watch faces you have on this page and select one of them. For example, I'm gonna select the start here, and to add this watch face to your collection, just tap this blue icon right here, and then confirm your action by clicking add to my faces, and this watch face will appear on the list of watch faces, and in a moment it's gonna appear on your Apple Watch too. And if it's not happening, you can manually switch the watch face by holding down your finger on a watch on an existing one, and then switching to this one. But as you can see, for now it's yet not installed, so let's wait for a while. And as you can see, it has just been applied to this Apple Watch. So that's basically how you can install additional or custom watch faces on your Apple Watch. Now if you want to remove it, you have to hold down your finger on it and then swipe it to the top, click remove, and this way you can remove this custom watch face from your Apple Watch. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.